Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys real quick about these charts. So we've been having a couple red days these last couple days, like I mentioned in my videos before that. We were hitting some pretty major resistance levels, some resistance levels that I felt once we got above were going to be a pretty cool blast off. Now the thing about that is I don't know when we're gonna get above them. There's no even telling if we're gonna get above them in this cycle. So first things first, before we get into the video, I want to talk to you guys about this again. This Wall Street cheat sheet, the psychology of the market chart. Now I want to know where you guys think we are now. So I asked this question before and you guys gave me all your responses, and then I gave you guys my belief on where I thought we were. So last time a lot of people said, hey, you know what, I think we're in optimism, and I felt like that meant we are beginning to believe. So this is a chart of what a bull run usually looks like right here. Just a nice good uptrend. Many millionaires will be made in that type of cycle, and then coming down, it's, hey, you know what, many millionaires will die off and many people will lose money and go into depression mode. So it starts right here in disbelief. This rally will fail like all the others. Then there's hope, hey, maybe this rally is possible. Then there's optimism, this rally is real. Then there's belief, time to get fully invested. Then there's a thrill, let's go all in. And then there's euphoria that says, hey, I'm a genius, we're all gonna be rich, and blah blah blah. Once we get there, the bull run is over, and then we get to complacency. Hey, you know, we need to just chill off, we need to calm down. So some people might feel like the top is in and that's where we're at now. Is it? I don't know. What do you think? Anxiety, why am I even doing this? And then you have denial. Hey, you know what, these companies are great. This is the worst part of the market, because you say, hey, I love some of these projects, but the price should not be going down, and then it still does, and you have panic and capitulation. Capitulation sucks because it leads to anger, and then we sit in anger and all this time, and then we go through it all over again. And in cryptocurrency, this thing seems to be happening every 4 years. So I want to know, what do you guys think? Where are we at on this chart? So if you're new to this channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, join the chillest community in crypto. Bitcoin right now, we're sitting, as of this video, we're at about 52K. So this chart right here is my prediction chart for Bitcoin, and it's been following it to a T. I've been showing this chart the most because it's been the most helpful. It's been following it. It's been making me feel like, you know what, we're going to range in between this orange line and this orange line, which is lines that I just lined up with the bottom of this prediction and the top of this prediction, and look at where it's been bouncing at. This orange line, this line, and this red line. And I said, hey, look, the bottom for me where we can still be bullish at is going to be about 42K, where this last pump down here, the last biggest pump we had, happened. As long as we stay above those levels, I think we are still in a bull market for Bitcoin. Once we get above there, we'll probably come back up and test it, and if it still keeps going down, then bull run over. The total, so the total, I was gonna show you guys this chart, but there's kind of no point because it looks just like the Bitcoin chart. It is the market cap of all of cryptocurrency, and right now it is sitting at 1.6 trillion dollars, and I just want to see us get to the $2 trillion mark, which would be the next level on the fib, on this fib that I extended from the beginning of this run. So the last chart would be the total 2 chart. So the total 2 chart, this is the chart that I've been watching the most, because this is going to give us the idea of what's going on with our altcoin investments right here. This is the market cap of all of the altcoins put together. Now, as you guys know, I like to look at the market cap because the market cap is what really gives us the value of these coins. And if this market cap doesn't get above this level of about $709 billion, then we're gonna have a hard time going forward with our altcoin investments. So we need to break this resistance still, and we've been here for a number of days. Let's actually figure out how many days we've been here since we tested this resistance. We've been there for about 35 days. We've been trying to get above this resistance. So there's kind of a triangle building here in my opinion, and it's probably going to break down. These triangles usually break to the downside, but if it breaks up, extremely bullish. Things that normally break to the downside, that break to the upside in a bull market, is extremely bullish for sure. So that's what I'm hoping for. You get what I'm saying? Real quick, for some people who were wondering, they said, hey, you really think OMI can get to theta? I meant the market cap, not the price. I don't think it can get to $13. If it gets to $1, then I'm gonna buy America. Next thing, so a lot of people have been asking me, yo, Jay, what's up with the Ubex? I don't know, man. So far this has been a bad investment for me as well. The price has just been going down, but hey, look, everything in the total market has been going down. This one has been dipping further than others. So when stuff like this happens, you know, I have to set a stop loss. Now, I haven't talked about stop losses on this channel in a minute, and I always should talk about stop losses. And yeah, when things go up and they dip back down, if it goes below like 50%, then you probably, for me, I like to take a stop loss and just not accept the rest of these gains right in this area. I will let it pump up to here. If it comes down to here and it bounces here, then great, I will continue to hold. But once it gets below that level, it sucks, I will get out. And that is something that I didn't have set for Ubex, so I want to remind you guys to still always have some type of stop loss in something like this, because this is a dip that I wouldn't mind buying, because even though I hear a lot of bad news about the project, I still feel like for some reason it is okay, and that's just my hunch and that's just my bet. And I don't have a lot of money riding on it, and I don't feel like anybody should have too much money riding on a bet anyway. So for the people who can't get into the Telegram group right now, because I got to clean out all these scammers, and I have to figure out a way to make it clean for everybody who's in there trying to enjoy all the information that we're sharing. Here's a coin that everybody in the Telegram group has been excited on. I didn't actually get a chance to invest in it because the price took off pretty well, and that is the Pop Network token. So right now it's on a nice little dip, and that's why I'm bringing it to your attention, so you can go ahead and do your research and maybe scoop some up if it fits you know, your investing style. And for me, I like what I see so far. Decentralized infrastructure for the creator economy, and I'm a creator, as you can see. I'm here on YouTube. I also like to make music, so send me some samples if you know how to play any instruments. But yeah, you know, check out the Pop Network. I'm still doing my research on it, so I couldn't be the one to give you much information, but there are a lot of people in the Telegram group who are yelling at us saying, yo, you guys need to check this out, and that's why I'm going to look at it today. But I'm bringing it here to you guys for the ones who want to get in the group, who are just waiting for me to figure out how to clean this damn thing up. So if you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to let me know where you think we are on the market psychology chart, and also I'm thinking about doing a live stream tomorrow morning, so if you're able to tune in for that, go ahead and tune in for that. Oh, also check out the website Everythingcurrencycrypto.com if you need to send me an email. Also, you can join the mailing list on there, so you can get any updates to any of the cool stuff that I'm thinking about doing in the future, just besides trying to provide value to you guys with these videos. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, be a dope person. Don't be out there being no sucker. Till next time, peace.